You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French from French. If you want to learn how to pronounce the plural of the word and more French vocabulary, stay tuned to the channel. Got tons for you coming up. Chapeau. CH in French is pronounced sh, not ch, more like sh, sh. So, chapeau, E-A-U, together in French form the sound O, like the letter O. Chapeau is how you say a hat in French. How do you say hat in French? Chapeau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.